This is Crossblog XTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Wòlíì Olagunju wọ́n ti tú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àṣírí nípa bí wọ́n ṣe fẹ́ Islamize Nigeria àti tó ti wá dé stage Islamization of Nigeria. Wọ́n ní ohun tí Sheikh Jingri sọ ní ẹnu àìpẹ́ yìí, wọ́n ní kò ń ṣe kó ṣàdédé sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Wọ́n ní Babangida ló ti wá sínú kínní. In case àwọn tí ò bá gbọ́ Yorùbá, this prophet says where we find ourselves today, thinking they are pushing us to Islamization of Nigeria. He said Babangida has took this step since 1986. He signed an agreement with some people. I forgot what he called the OIC or something like that, like pushing us to Islamization of Nigeria. So he said Babangida was the one that initiated it, and how Adeleke won, he said, is an example of what's going to happen in the presidential election. He said, but don't think the way it went smoothly on Adeleke is how he's going to go on presidential election. Please, let's listen to him. Drop your comments down below and sunk in, and let's both listen to what this pastor has to say about Islamization of Nigeria and how presidential election will go and what happened in Osun, everything he explained in this video. So let's both listen and drop our comments.
A northern Muslim cleric recently tells Nigerians that Nigeria is a Muslim country. What can you say about this, sir?
Yes, Nigeria is a Muslim state. No doubt about that. Nigeria is a Muslim state. The reason is this. Some people were just criticizing that sheikh from Plateau. Say, no, but the man is telling us the reality on ground. In 1986, General Ibrahim Babangida and his military ruler, they deliberately enrolled Nigeria into OIC. What's the meaning of OIC now? Organization of Islamic Conference or Cooperation. But Nigeria is a permanent member. Let me read it out now. Somebody can go to Google and say it. Yes, Nigeria is a full member of Organization of Islamic Cooperation, OIC. It happened join in February 1986 under the military government of General Ibrahim Babangida. That shows that we are a Muslim country. And to crown everything, to establish the fact, our own brother, our own son, Ashwaji Bola Ahmed Tinubu, is a Muslim. He picked Muslim leader, Muslim Hausa man, as his running mate. So that is why Nigerian, many people are looking at Nigeria as a Muslim country. What we need to do, we don't need to criticize that man. What we need to do is, we Christians, the leader, should come together and meet the Senate President, meet the National Assembly, telling them Nigeria is a secular country, it's a secular state. Why are we in this place? Because during the military era, we thank God say the democracy is working in Nigeria. Otherwise, if it is military ruler, if it is military era, what Nigeria will just wake up one day say, you just say the Islamic Republic of Nigeria. What are we going to do? So we don't need to criticize this man. We need to meet the National Assembly. We need to meet our leaders. Why are we there? Are we supposed to be there? But the Christian, the Maopi Christian leader, they were chasing money, they were chasing here and there. Why the Muslim in Nigeria? They were planning how to Islamize Nigeria. So the time to talk is now. The time to meet the National Assembly is now. So Nigeria is a Muslim state. We don't need to destroy ourselves. Because what are we doing there in UIC? So that is what the man was saying. It's an eye opener. The man was just telling us what to do. We don't know what to do before. That's just the point.
Thank you, sir. With the economic situation of the country, do you foresee that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu would do better?
Well, based on what I receive from God, Tinubu will do better. In time of road construction, the man really tried. No doubt about it. I'm not a supporter of Tinubu. No. But in time of road construction, President Tinubu really tried. But we are talking of economic hardship. Let's see what is going to happen between now and December. I believe the economic hardship will come down. Petrol price, let's see what is going to happen. And let's see what is going to happen to economic hardship. The man will do better. As revealed to me by God Almighty, though. You know, I am the one let everybody go and check my 2023 prophecy, where I prophesied that the hardship will never witness in Nigeria. We witness it under his government. I said so. That we witness it under his government. But I'm now saying, as revealed to me by God Almighty, between now and December, Tinubu will do better by God's grace. And looking at Osun State election, the opposition should not rejoice. Thinking that the Osun State gubernatorial election shows them that they will defeat Tinubu. They should plan very well. They can't defeat Tinubu. Tinubu knows what he is doing. He deliberately allows election to go like that, so that they will say, yeah, he will conduct a free and fair election. Here is the president who was telling the Catholic bishop the other time, say, in politics, everything is fair. Rigging is fair. Manipulation is fair. Killing is fair. Everything is fair. They should not underrate this man. He knows politics better. He knows what he's doing. And Tinubu is not just an ordinary man. Anjani ni Tinubu. Ewe ni Tinubu. Ọmọ àgbàlagbà ni. Ya Biba ti lo train ẹ dàgbà. So he knows politics, he knows what he's doing. You can't just take him lightly like that. So that's not the point.
Thank you, sir. The last but not the least, can we know you, sir?
Yes. I am one of the few prophets of the Most High God in Nigeria who takes active interest in guiding our nation in the path of righteousness, peace, love, unity, progress, equal right, and justice. I'm the prophet who hasn't taken his bath for 26 years and still counting. I'm Wale Olagunju, the presiding bishop of the Divine Seed of God Chapel Ministry, 1 Alfonso Road, behind NEPA, Shasha, Ojo, Oyo State, Nigeria.